What you saw in the intro is not real. Yes, it looks completely real. It feels real. But the truth is, it is entirely created using AI. And today, I'm going to show you how we can create powerful AI influencers by using AI tools, how we can grow them on Instagram, and how we can earn a lot of money every single month from them, even without showing our face. Right now, AI niches are booming and trending massively on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. People are getting millions of views using AI content, and many of them are making serious income from it. And the best part is, you don't have to work hard like traditional creators. You don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive cameras. You don't need studios, lighting setups, or complicated editing. You can simply create AI influencers for free, upload their content, and start earning. In this video, I am going to teach you everything step by step, from zero to creating your own AI influencer and posting your first viral video. Before that, let me show you some more amazing video samples.
Get out my hay, bitch, get out my hay. Milkshake brings all the boys to the farm, and they're like, it's better than yours.
I have provided the link in the description, or you can simply search it on Google and type Higgsfield AI, you will reach the same website directly. As soon as you open the link, you will see an interface like this. Here, you can create your own influencers from scratch. When you click on Explore, you will see free AI influencers that you can use as inspiration or templates. You can create influencers here and even earn money from here. I will show you the complete process step by step so that even a beginner can follow it easily. So as soon as you come here, you will see this interface where you can create your influencer according to your imagination and character style. First, you have to select the character type. You can choose human, ant, bee, octopus, crocodile, alien, or many more categories. For now, I will select human. After that, you have to select the gender. You will see options like female, male, trans man, trans woman, and non-binary. I will select male because I want to create a male character. You can do all of this on your mobile as well. Just go to Google on your phone, search for Higgsfield AI, and open the website. The interface works perfectly on mobile too. Now after that, you will get the origin option. This means where your influencer belongs from. For example, I will select Asian. Then you have to select the skin tone. You can choose any skin color you like according to the look you want. I will select one from here. After that, you will get the eye color option. You can choose any eye color you want. There are many options available. I will select black because it gives a natural, realistic human look. Then comes the skin condition, which is very important for realism. You will see options like vitiligo, pigmentation, freckles, birthmarks, dry skin, cracked skin, and many more. I will select cracked and dry. Next, you have to choose the age category. Options are adult, mature, and senior. I will select adult because my character is an adult. After completing all these steps, you will see the advanced options. If you want even more control and detail, you can use this section. Here you can customize eye types like human, reptile, mechanical, and also adjust eye details, mouth shape, ears, skin texture, and many other small details. Now, after setting everything, you will see the option Generate Free. Simply click on Generate. Your AI influencer will now start generating in a few seconds. Once it is generated, you can regenerate it or fine-tune it using the Nano option. If you feel something is not perfect, you can easily modify it using Nano and make it exactly the way you want. The character that gets created looks extremely realistic, almost like a real person. You can see the male character that we have generated here. You get options like regenerate or edit using Nano Banana to improve it further. Now, to animate your influencer and turn it into a video, click on Try Free. After that, click on Explore More. Here, you will find many trending influencer-style videos. You can copy their style, their movements, and their expressions, and create similar videos using your own AI character. Select any video, then choose the quality like 1080p for high resolution. After that, click on Generate. As soon as you click on Generate, your influencer's video will start generating automatically. Now look at the final result. See how realistic it looks. It feels like a real human influencer, but it is completely created using AI. You can also create animals, fantasy characters, and even aliens. For example, click on Alien and then click on Generate. Now your human character will transform into an alien influencer. If you want to convert it into a video, simply click on Try Free and start animating it. After creating your videos, go to Explore again. Click on AI Influencer and then click on Higgsfield Earner. Here, you can upload your content on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other platforms. You can also see how much money people are already earning using this method. The process is very simple and beginner-friendly. First, log in. Second, post content. Third, withdraw money. Just follow these 3 steps. Log in, upload your videos, grow your pages, and then withdraw your earnings. This is a completely free AI tool. You can create unlimited AI influencers without spending any money and build a powerful source of online income. So that's all for today. If you like this video, make sure to check the link in the description. Before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any future updates on AI, Instagram growth, and online earning. We're going to bring more powerful content, step-by-step tutorials, and real strategies that can help you grow and earn in the digital world. Share this video with your friends who want to grow on Instagram and start earning with AI. Thanks for watching, keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.